Everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to fix QuickShare not working on Samsung phone. So to fix that, let me show you the steps you can follow. So if your QuickShare is not working, check both. Like you can just check your device's compatibility, like make sure both the devices are compatible with QuickShare and have the feature enabled in settings, and turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Ensure both devices have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. You can also restart devices. And the second one is clear the quick share cache. Go to device settings, then go to that specific app and go to quick share, and then just tap on storage and clear the cache. And then there's another one, update your Android software. Sometimes there might be some Android software updates for available, so install them and then check the visibility on sending device. Open quick share and make sure the device you want to share it with is visible in the list, and then check the sharing settings. Go to your device sharing, go to connections and tap on quick share. Ensure the settings are configured to your allow sharing with desired services, and you can also check for restrictions, like if there might be any restriction for your quick share devices. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can just fix your quick share not working on your Samsung phone. Hope these steps will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.